Are you a pet care expert or animal content creator with tons of helpful tips, but no app to reach your audience? What if you could turn your training tutorials, health guides, and pet care routines into a sleek mobile app in just a few hours without writing a single line of code? Let's show you how we built this fully functional pet care and training app using Stitch by Google, Bravo Studio, and a few powerful integrations. We prompted Stitch to generate a warm, pet-friendly design for a dog and cat care app. It includes a welcome screen, a login page, a video library for training lessons, and a featured section for health tracking, grooming tutorials, and expert Q&As. Once the design felt right, we exported it to Figma. Here, we made visual tweaks, adjusted typography, the color palette, and layout to reflect a cozy, trustworthy brand for pet parents. Using the Bravo Studio Figma plugin, we applied Bravo tags to key screens like the login page. This tells Bravo exactly how to process those screens into real, functional mobile app components. We then connected the screens using Figma prototyping to map out the full user journey, from onboarding to accessing pet training and wellness content. We also created a custom app icon to give the app a polished, recognizable presence on the user's phone. Bravo instantly converts your Figma file into a real iOS and Android mobile app. No code, just copy and paste, and go. You can test it immediately using the Bravo Vision app. To deliver your pet care tutorials and training content, we embedded a custom video player using Bravo's Web View tag. This player connects to your hosted videos or YouTube Vimeo content, so users can watch and train alongside you, right inside the app. Next, we set up secure login using Kind, integrated via Bravo's external OAuth snippet and a Xano backend. This ensures that only registered or paying users can access your exclusive content. We used Bravo's Xano snippet to manage user accounts, saved favorites, pet profiles, and training history, all with zero backend coding. Want to monetize your app? Add RevenueCat or Kind billing, and you're ready to offer subscriptions, exclusive content, or unlockable pet care resources. And that's it. In just a few steps, we built a fully functional pet care and training app with no code, ready to support your audience, grow your brand, and help you turn your expertise into a mobile experience. Whether you're a dog trainer, vet, or pet wellness content creator, Bravo Studio is the fastest way to bring your knowledge to mobile. Enjoy building with Bravo Studio.